guys. Happy New Year. This is my beautiful wife. That's my beautiful wife. Who cares? It's my beautiful wife. Hello, I'm Blue Slut Pinay. We are Filipina. Yeah. And right now we are here at the Las Vegas. We're just roaming around. See? Paris. There you go. Bellagio. Lots of people. Lots of people. Lots of people. That's it, guys. I just wanna say hi. Hello to you guys. Happy New Year and belated Merry Christmas to everybody. Yeah. We're gonna celebrate here tomorrow night for New Year's Eve for the fireworks. Yeah. That's it. See you later, guys. I almost dropped my phone. Bye.